Hello everyone, today we are making this finger-licking good tomato chutney that goes really well with almost anything you eat. For this quick recipe, start with 3 tablespoons of oil on a moderate heat. Once the oil is heated, add 1/4 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 3 to 4 curry leaves. Be careful not to cook the mustard seeds for more than 10 seconds, else they will burn. Then add 1 large finely chopped onion and sauté until translucent. Make sure not to overcook the onions, otherwise they will turn brown. Once the onions are sautéed, add 8 cloves of chopped garlic and sauté it for about a minute. Then add half a kg of roughly chopped tomatoes, and for seasoning, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of coriander powder and 1 seasoning cube. Mix everything together and make sure the seasoning cube is dissolved evenly and completely. Please be mindful that the seasoning already has salt in it, so we will add only half a teaspoon more. Mix thoroughly. Cover and let it simmer for about 20 minutes until the tomatoes are completely soft and mushy. Once the tomatoes are cooked, dry out the excess water by stirring frequently. Once the excess water has dried, add half a teaspoon of dried fenugreek, half a teaspoon of sugar, along with 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Mix everything together and lastly add 1/4 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. And here you have the mouth-watering tomato chutney ready to mesmerize your taste buds. Garnish with some more coriander and enjoy with your family and friends. And please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to Lots of Cooking.